Let's take a look today at the all-new MK Coach Lincoln Nautilus Legacy. This coach here features the black on black interior along with the black headliner and the fusion black floor. This Lincoln Nautilus features the newer manual rising urn carrier, which when you're not using it is tucked away underneath the floor itself, but when you want to use it, it easily rises up and sits right in the bottom side of the window so the family can see their loved one when following behind the hearse. With the combination of the manual rising urn carrier and the low door high view window, it allows the family behind the hearse to see their loved one on the way to the church or cemetery. The church truck compartment in this coach is a closed church truck compartment with a flip lid, which allows you to either lay your church truck down or stand it upright, depending if you need the extra storage or not. Also off to the right, we have the 4 flower pots that come with the coach that you can easily get a flower arrangement of your own for your urn carrier in the back. This hearse will easily stand out with the additional exterior options that it has, including the B and C pillar stainless, as well as the stainless crown band. What I love about the Lincoln Nautilus hearse is the controls are all displayed right at your fingertips and very easy to maneuver through. You have heated seats, which simply just click the heated seat button that will turn on your heated seats, and then that's also located right within your climate control dashboard as well. And you can adjust that down below or up top depending what you prefer. This Lincoln Nautilus comes with a very nice backup camera, which is probably one of the largest displays in the industry. Another great technology feature this Nautilus comes with is the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So depending which phone you have, you can use either app to display whatever is on your phone right on your center console screen. If you would like any further information on the coach that you see today or any of the other vehicles that we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com.